The best long-range drones are built for extended flight distance, stable control, and high-quality aerial imaging, making them ideal for photography, surveying, and outdoor exploration. They often feature powerful transmission systems, GPS navigation, and long battery life to ensure reliable performance over greater distances. Starting at number 1. Ruko F11 GIM2 drones. The Ruko F11 GIM2 drone is designed for adults and features advanced capabilities such as a 2-axis gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and EIS, auto return to home, and first-person view, FPV, with an integrated camera and GPS. It boasts a sleek, dark gray color and offers impressive video capture resolution of 4K. With a total flight time of 64 minutes thanks to its 2 intelligent batteries, the drone can fly for up to 32 minutes on a single charge. It has a flying range of up to 3 kilometers, 9,842 feet, and includes a beginner mode that limits height and distance for novice users. The enhanced video transmission technology ensures stability and security during flight, while the drone's design allows it to withstand level 6 winds, making it suitable for stable footage even in challenging weather conditions. The package includes essential components such as a carrying case, power cables, and extra propellers, making it a comprehensive choice for all skill levels. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a highly advanced drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a powerful camera that captures stunning 48 megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 FPS, thanks to its 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal. With an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, users can execute dynamic shots with ease, while the drone's obstacle sensing capabilities enhance safety and convenience for novice pilots. The Mavic Air 2 also includes intelligent tracking functions such as Spotlight 2.0 and Active Track 3.0, which simplify aerial photography by keeping the camera focused on subjects while allowing the pilot to maneuver freely. OcuSync 2.0 technology provides a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles, 10 km, and supports live streaming in 1080p FHD directly from the drone's camera. This combination of power, portability, and intelligent features makes the Mavic Air 2 an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography game. Number 3. Holystone HS710 drones. The Holystone US HS710 is a sophisticated GPS drone designed for adults, featuring a high-quality 4K FHD camera that captures stunning visuals with remarkable detail, aided by a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure. This drone utilizes 5 GHz FPV technology for longer and smoother image transmission, making it one of the top choices for camera drones. It boasts intelligent flight features, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, allowing for automated flying that enhances the creative experience for the whole family. Designed with beginner users in mind, the drone includes altitude hold for stable hovering, smart return to home, and emergency stop functions to alleviate concerns about losing the drone. Additionally, the one-key takeoff landing feature simplifies the flying experience. With a weight of just 240 grams and robust stability ensured by a dual-mode GPS and optical flow positioning system, the Holystone US HS710 is an excellent choice for those looking to explore the skies with ease and confidence. Number 4. Holystone HS440 FPV drone. The Holystone HS440 is a versatile drone designed for beginners aged 14 and up, featuring a striking red color and a range of impressive specifications. It boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112-degree wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage from various angles. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, thanks to its powerful modular battery, making it perfect for exploring and photographing diverse surroundings. Its foldable design ensures portability, complemented by a carrying case for easy transport. With additional features like auto landing, gyroscopic stabilization, and Wi-Fi connectivity, the HS440 is equipped to deliver an exciting and user-friendly flying experience, whether you're at a beach or enjoying a family gathering. Included components feature the drone itself, a remote controller, spare propellers, and essential accessories for a complete package. Number 5. Holystone HS790 Photo Drone. The Holystone HS790 is a high-performance drone designed for adults featuring a 3-axis gimbal that ensures ultra-stable 4K footage and high-resolution 6K photos, making it ideal for professional aerial photography and content creation. With its advanced Sony 13.2 CMOS sensor and f2.0 aperture, users can capture smooth, cinematic videos at 4K 30 FPS even in challenging conditions. The drone boasts an impressive transmission range of up to 9 km 3000 mph, facilitated by Holystone's Wi-Fi repeater technology, which allows for real-time video streaming with minimal lag, perfect for long-range flying and immersive experiences. Additionally, the HS790 comes equipped with dual intelligent batteries that provide up to 60 minutes of total flight time, along with a smart PD charging hub that supports fast charging and serves as a power bank for convenient on-the-go power management. With its sleek silver design and comprehensive accessory kit, the Holystone HS790 is suitable for all skill levels, making it a versatile choice for drone enthusiasts.